Last week saw the largest strike in human history, but you probably didn't hear about it. And essential workers across the U.S. continue to organize, demanding COVID safety protections. Meanwhile, Congress has yet to pass another coronavirus relief bill, as up to half of American workers are at risk of losing their paid sick leave once December 31st hits. The largest strike in human history took place in India last week. An estimated 250 million people took part in a nationwide strike, including workers, farmers, students, and members of various community organizations. From the capital, Delhi, to major cities, including Kolkata and Mumbai, strikers shut down highways and railways and pushed through blockades and water cannons set up by police. The pandemic has plunged India's GDP by a record 23.9%, while unemployment has hit 27%. On top of this, the far right-wing government under the BJP has reversed huge progressive gains for workers' rights and farmers' protections. Tapan Sen, General Secretary of the Center of Indian Trade Unions, exclaimed, quote, "The workers and peasants will not rest till the disastrous and disruptive policies of the BJP government are reversed. The strike today is only a beginning. Much more intense struggles will follow." Nursing home workers throughout a chain of 11 facilities across the Chicago metro area are entering their second week of a strike, demanding higher wages, $2 an hour in hazard pay, and adequate PPE. SEIU Healthcare Illinois is leading the strike at elder care facilities run by Infinity Healthcare Management, where workers have been without a contract since June. Workers say City View Multicare Center in Cicero has the state's highest number of COVID-19 cases. Another Infinity facility in the city of Niles currently has the state's most coronavirus deaths. On Sunday, the Chicago Federation of Labor and the Chicago Teachers Union joined the striking workers on the picket line in a powerful display of solidarity. Up to 87 million workers will lose access to paid sick leave and family leave if Congress doesn't pass another relief package by December 31st. A provision in the Families First Act passed back in March mandated that employers provide workers who are seeking medical care or quarantining with 2 weeks of sick pay, as well as up to 12 weeks of medical and family leave at 2/3 of their current pay, which would be reimbursed from the government as a tax credit. Also set to expire at year's end, the national eviction moratorium, deferral on student loan payments, and unemployment aid for 12 million jobless Americans. Despite failing to pass another stimulus bill since March, Congress went on vacation, and it's unclear if anything will be passed. Unfortunately, bills, rents and mortgages, loan payments, and of course, the coronavirus itself won't wait for Congress to get back to work.